itong binabanggit ng ating guest from COA, yung matatapos nila na fraud highlights, immediately i-furnish ng copy itong Blue Ribbon committee, even, Mr. Chairman, even while awaiting the response of the respondents. And also, once they responded, Mr. Chairman, we'd also like to subpoena the copies of the responses of the respondents as soon as they are submitted to COA. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, excuse me, Mr. Chair, because the last time I was here, I was only allowed 2 questions by you, and yet mga kasamahan ko rito bilang respeto sa mga kasamahan ko, they were allowed na 1 to sawa. Dapat maging fair ka, Mr. Chair. Pag sinabi mong 2 questions, 2 minutes talaga, you have to stick with it. You're not being fair, Mr. Chair.
I am fair kasi nandito ka sa...
No, kasi nung last time sabi mo sa akin 2 questions lamang. Sabi mo 1 question. Sabi ko, tinitipid mo ako, sabi mo 2 questions. And now, pinapayagan mo kahit na ilang questions. Be fair, Mr. Chair.
Teka muna, bago tayo magkaroon ng impression na walang fair dito, noon, sinabi ko na in the earliest statement na nag-uumpisa tayo noon at kinakailangan nating mabaki